Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited today to be discussing with all of you and proposing ideas on workplace sustainability and how, as a company at Apple, we can reduce our environmental footprint and create a more efficient and sustainable workplace and company. Before we get into it, let me just introduce to everyone who I am. So, who am I? My name is Sosa Siddiqui, and I am the new product operations assistant for Apple. It is so nice to meet all of you guys, and I'm so excited to be here and discuss with all of you guys this important topic. So, why does this matter to us? Why am I talking to you guys about workplace sustainability and environmental footprint? What does this have to do with Apple? It has to do the most with Apple because at Apple, we are committed to reducing our carbon footprint and embracing eco-friendly practices in every aspect of our operation. Apple has already committed to becoming a carbon neutral company in our entire business by 2030. And our overall in our workplace, our employees and our companies, and study shows this, are more likely to feel engaged and to be proud to work for and to shop and be a part of a company that demonstrates genuine environmental responsibility. Implementing workplace improvements that align with both productivity and sustainability. And by doing all of this and working towards this goal, we will create an efficient and future oriented work environment. So let me talk to you guys about my first solution, the first initiative that I will be proposing to all of you guys, which is smart bins. So, what is a smart bin? Let me tell you guys and break it down for you. Just like it shows in this diagram, these are exactly how it sounds. They're trash cans, but they are trash cans that use sensor technology to detect when waste is incorrectly sorted by ensuring that recyclables, compostables, and landfill waste are properly separated, just as it shows in the diagram. It improves recycling accuracy and reduces contamination. So, why do we need this? We need this because waste from our office, not just sometimes, almost all the time, ends up being incorrectly sorted, leading to environmental damage. And something about the smart bin market is that it's growing rapidly and businesses are getting into them. They're a huge innovative technology that people are just loving to use and have loved to use. And this market is growing by 15% annually. By using this system, Apple can reduce waste in the workplace and improve recycling overall. So let's break down the budget and the cost. It would cost around $300 to $500 per bin. And the total cost for the whole office would be around $5,000 to $6,000. That does sound like a lot, I know, but there will be a lot of long-term savings through reduced waste disposable fees. So what are the benefits of using smart bins? One, it improves recycling accuracy, which is something that we do need. And on top of that, it engages employees in sustainability. And when we can engage the employees to work toward this goal as well that we want, it just creates a more efficient workplace overall. And overall, it will reduce the environmental footprint and the goal that we are working towards. But let's talk about the challenges. One, it is the initial setup cost. Like I showed you in the budget and cost slide, there are a few costs that we have to deal with in the beginning. But we do have long-term savings. And on top of that, employees will have to learn how to use them. It's very advanced technology, so there will be an employee learning curve, and training will have to be implemented. Now let's move on to our second solution, the second initiative that I'm going to propose, which is reducing paper, going paperless, and going fully digital. Here at Apple, we are a technology-based company. So why not go paperless? Go completely digital. We have the resources. We could use iPads, Apple Notes, and the cloud-based platforms and stop using unnecessary paper. Study has shown that the digital transformation can reduce the business's environmental impact by up to 10%. And here in our offices, we do use a lot of paper, and paper costs money. And on top of that, on top of using all that paper, employees have spent so much time searching for those documents. And just doesn't create an organized workplace. So overall, if we go completely digital, we will save time, money, and we will become a more efficient workplace. Now, for budgeting costs, we would have around 2,000 ongoing savings. But there will be a cost for training, which will be around 200, and the initial investment would be around $500. So, what are the benefits? Well, it reduces environmental impacts, and it will boost efficiency and productivity, and it aligns with what Apple gives and wants. What are the challenges? Well, we're all so used to using paper. So there might be a little bit of resistance from other employees on going completely digital because we're so used to how we work right now. So there might be a difficult transition. And their training will have to be implemented for a transition like this, a digital transition. Well, that's all for me today. Thank you so much for listening. I'm so excited that I got to be here and talk to you guys and propose all of these initiatives. I believe that implementing a smart bin system in our offices would be a great way to reduce our environmental footprint and go up to those goals and work towards those goals and our value cores. If we just start off by getting one, and then if we like it, we can go to two and then three, and then have them all over our office and all across our company. And if we implement these systems, employees can get into what we have been talking about so much about workplace sustainability. Thank you so much. Have a great day.